The largest, the biggest, the safest financial vehicle in the world. Hello guys, it's Gana Crown here and you're welcome to Passion Income. On this channel, we'll talk on ways and how to make money online, legit businesses to do, and crypto updates. We post valuable content on this channel, so if you don't want to miss our valuable content just like this one, just subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our valuable content, comment, and also like this video. Today's video will be on how you can be able to pin more than 3 chats on WhatsApp, how you can be able to pin over 100 chats on WhatsApp. Before we move on to this video, I would like to shout out to our new subscribers. I always do a random shout out to all our new subscribers. Shout out to Glory King David, shout out to Ninja Boss TV, shout out to Elvis, shout out to Officer Warrior, and shout out to Zone Bitcoin. Thank you for your support. I always do a random shout out for our subscribers. If you want to get mentioned on my next video, subscribe now. Let's move on to the video. So this video today is on how you can be able to pin more than 100 chats on WhatsApp. A lot of people are finding it difficult to pin more than 3 chats on their WhatsApp, so they are not doing well in their business. They are not able to respond to clients as early as possible, so they face difficulty on responding to clients. This video will help you to be able to pin important chats and respond to your clients and customers as soon as possible. Okay, so just listen very attentively, watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I have a strategy for you. Okay, so let's move on to the video. So first of all, what you need to do is to have a WhatsApp on your phone. Quite all right, I know you have a WhatsApp. So you just click on the WhatsApp, go to your WhatsApp. Then what you need to do is to pin up 3 chats. You pin up 3 chats because that is what WhatsApp allows you to do. Okay, so after you have pinned 3 chats, if you want to pin another one, it won't allow you to do that. Are you seeing it? You can only pin 3 chats. Do you know the skill? Do you know the strategy on how you can be able to pin more than 3 chats on WhatsApp? Do you want to know the strategy? Then click on the subscription bell. If you have not subscribed to this channel, turn on the notification, because this content is a great content. You can also share this to your friends and family. Okay, so after you must have pinned 3 chats, you can't pin any other chat. So the strategy on how you can be able to pin more than 3 chats on WhatsApp, first of all, what you need to do before you can be able to use this strategy, you need to off your data. If your data is on, you off your data. If your Wi-Fi is on, you off your Wi-Fi. So I am going to off my Wi-Fi. I'm going to off it. If your data is on, you turn off your data. Very good. So we are good to go. We are good to go. Now, what do we need to do? Okay, we need to copy the chart. Okay, you select the chart. Okay, select the 3 pin charts, the 3 charts that you pinned, and then you select another one that you want to pin. Now what do you need to do? You need to touch on archive. Okay, you touch on archive. On this strategy you should be very fast, okay, when using this strategy. So after you must have select the 3 charts that you have pinned, you select the next one that you want to pin, then you tap on archive. You should be very fast on this. Okay, tap on archive, then you pin another chart, you pin, and then you undo. Now if you are not fast, you can see that it has already archived. Okay, so we are going to go back. Okay, we are going to go back so that we will on archive. Okay, we'll on archive. You go back and do it again. If you are not fast, it won't work. Okay, you tap on pin. All right, then you click on all the pin charts, then you click on another one that you want to pin. Okay, then you click on archive, you pin another chart, then you undo. You can see that you have pinned 4 charts. Are you getting the strategy? You have pinned more than 3 charts. Now it's now 4. If you want to pin another one, if you want to pin the 5th one, what you need to do is to select all the 4 pin charts. Select all the 4 pin charts, then select another one again. Then what you need to do is to tap on archive. You should be fast about this. Tap on archive and pin, and then undo. You see now that you have pinned 5 charts. You have pinned 5 charts. From 3 we move to 4, we move to 5. Now if you want to pin another one, you need to select all the ones that you have pinned. Select all the ones that you have pinned. I did not say you should select 2, I did not say you should select 3. I say you should select all the ones that you have pinned. So what you need to do again is to select another one unpinned, select all the pin chart, then one unpinned chart, then you will tap on archive. Okay, be fast about this. Tap on archive, then the chart that you want to pin, you pin, and then you undo very fast. You can see that you have you have pinned 6 charts. I believe this video is giving you value.
Yeah, boy.
Now let's move on to the next one. If you want to pin the 7th chart, you need to tap on all the pin charts. Tap on all your pin charts, then you tap on a chart that is not pinned. Okay, then you tap on archive. As I said before, be fast. Tap on archive and then pin, then undo. Okay, so how many charts have you pinned now? You have pinned 7 good charts. That is how you will continue and continue and continue and continue until you're done pinning all the charts that you want to pin. Okay, so let's move on. Let's pin like 15 of these charts, and then you can continue doing it yourself. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is our 8th chart now that we have pinned. I believe you are getting value from this video. Okay, so this is our 9 charts that we have pinned. We are going to pin 15, then you can continue pinning if you want to. Okay, so this is our the 10th chart that we have pinned. Okay, this is our 11th chart that we have pinned. I believe you are getting value from this video. If you have not subscribed yet, just click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our valuable content. This is our 12th chart that we have pinned now. I'm going to do it 15 times. Okay, I'm going to pin 15 charts. Okay, this is our 13th chart that we have pinned. Our 13th chart that we have pinned. This is our 14th chart. So let's pin the last one. Let's pin the last one. Click on, select all the 14 charts. Select all the 14 pin charts. Then after you must have selected all the 14 pin charts, select on a chart that is not pinned. Okay, then you click on archive, then you select another one, pin and undo. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we are able to pin 15 charts. You can continue, you can pin 20 charts with this strategy, you can pin 30 charts with this strategy, 50 charts with this strategy. You can pin over 100 charts with this strategy. You can pin over 1000 charts with this strategy. Wow. So I believe this video was very helpful. So if you want me to mention you on our next video, just subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and tell me on the comment box. Just drop your message on the comment box. If you like this strategy, let me know, and if you don't like this strategy, let me know. If this video is very helpful to you and you got value from this video, let me know on the comment box. Thank you very much, and continue to support our channel. Let's grow together. Thank you very much.